Hi friends, we are testing the 5 machines for delivery to, and we have poured the mix inside to test, and other machines will pour the mix and test it now. This second machine, third machine, and this is the fourth machine, and you can see the carpenters are working on the packing, and this one had to paste the stickers. Our in Coolx range, this is the best soft ice cream machine, and you can say this is the India's best soft ice cream machine with totally 304 steel, and you can also see the packing, totally plywood case. Now we are even packing this machine, pack chese. ముందుకు మిషన్ చూపించు దగ్గరికి వచ్చి. You can see completely modular packing with the plywood with the clips. Just they put the box and you can just close it at the bottom. We are dispatching to Maharashtra.